Hi, welcome to DGP Star Vision. Today we shall discuss about the aspirate, that is the forms of stroke H. As you know, there are two forms of writing stroke H, but in this chapter we will come to know the four forms of writing H stroke. The first form of H is upward, like this we have to write. The second form of H is downward, like this we have to write. And one more form, that is tick H. A small tick like this we have to write for a stroke H. And next one is dot H. One dot we have to write for the stroke H. There are four forms of H. Now we will see which form of H we have to use, when there are some rules when we have to use these forms of H. The first one is upward form of H is commonly used. For example, head, H and D. A vowel. Hope, H and P. O vowel. Honey, H and N. Honey, after N there is a E vowel. Then hammer, H, mer, a vowel. Then hero, H, R, hero. This upward form of H is commonly used. For example, head, hope, honey, hammer, hero, hate. There are some more examples. And when standing alone, we have to use downward form of H. And when followed by K, gay, K and gay, we have to use downward H. For example, hay, H, like this, hay, hack, H, K, and hog, H, G. Then tick H is written initially to MLR. When there is a H sound before MLR, at that time you have to use tick H, like this, tick H and M for home. And healthy, tick H, L, it. After it, E vowel. Then harm, tick H, H, R, M, harm. Tick H is used initially to MLR. Example, home, healthy, harm. Then tick H is also used medially in phrases. For example, to her. To is a grammar. Then tick H, R. For whom. For tick H, M. Then of her. Of her. Of is a grammar. Tick H, R. These are the three forms of H. Now is it clear now when we have to use these three forms of H? One is upward, downward and tick H. Upward form of H is commonly used. So the examples are here: head, hope, honey, hammer, hero. And when standing alone and when followed by K, gay, we have to use downward H. That is hay, hack and hog. Hay, in this only H is standing alone. Then tick H is written initially to MLR. Example, home, healthy, harm. This is tick H, M, O vowel, healthy, tick H, L, it, after it, E vowel, harm, tick H, R, this is downward R, then M. Here tick H is used medially in phrases. To her. To is a grammar of tick H, R. For whom. For is a grammar of tick H, M. Then of her. Of is a grammar of tick H, R, downward R. Now we will see when the dot H is to be used. The last form of H, that is dot H, when we have to use, we will see where a stroke form of H is not convenient in the middle of the word. H is represented by a dot. Example, apprehensive, per N, S, then V. Here apprehensive for H, this dot we have to use. This dot represents H, apprehensive. Then perhaps, per, P is for H, we have to use a dot here. Then manhood, manhood. Here one H for dot, I wrote a dot here. This is for a manhood. This dot represents H, manhood. Then downhill, downhill. This is down, I diphthong, hill. Here it is a form of H. The dot is placed here. Where a stroke form of H is not convenient in the middle of the word, H is represented by a dot. Here apprehensive, a vowel, a vowel, hensive, N, S, V. Here H is represented with a dot. Perhaps, per, P, circle S. This dot H is represented here. Manhood, M, N, D. This is for H, dot is represented, dot is placed here. Downhill, D, N, I diphthong, L. This is for H, one dot is marked here. So there are four forms of H: upward, downward, tick H, and dot H. I already explained you when to use upward H and downward H and tick H. Now I explained you dot H also. Now we will see the grammar laws. Subjective, circle is B, V hook. Subjection, circle is B, Shanuk. Then signification, circle is G, Shanuk. Then information, N with Shanuk. Satisfaction, circle is T, S, S and N hook. Justification, J, S and N hook. Then generalization, J. These are the grammar laws of this chapter. Subjective, circle is B, V hook. Subjection, circle is B, Shanuk. Signification, circle is G, Shanuk. Information, N with Shanuk. Satisfaction, circle is T with Shanuk. Justification, here the hook and circle has been shown separately. Justification, J, circle is Shanuk. Then generalization, J, circle is Shanuk. You have to practice the grammar laws regularly. You have to remember the grammar laws. There is no shortcut to learn the grammar laws. I hope now it is clear when to use these four forms of H. If you have any doubts, I will clarify you. You can WhatsApp me to my number 7892247571. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos related to shorthand. Take care. Happy learning. Bye-bye.